Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit real players in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to features tab, which is just right here. Open that up, and just right here in the roster we're gonna open create roster, and obviously we're gonna create the copy of this because they'll not allow us to edit the real one. But what we can do instead, we can create a copy and make that default if you want. So just right here you need to choose the roster, whichever you like. You can just select that from here, but people generally prefer this one, modern current. So just for the sake of this video we'll go with this one. Once you do that, here select this one, official 2K roster. Now here you have list of players. Select the one which you wanna edit. For the sake of this video, what if we go with this one, and just right here you have option for edit, or also you can just release, you can trade, it's up to you. But just we want to edit the player, we'll just select the option edit. And yeah, the player has opened, and just right here we can select the option body. You can like change the height, you can change the weight, as well as a lot of options you have. If you go to shoes / gear, here you can just choose the option whichever you like. You can just change like that. Okay, then we have accessories. You can change the accessories. Lot of options you have, like you can change attributes, tendencies, hot zones, signature, even you can change the contract. As I said, it is up to you. Whichever you want to change, you can just change that from here. Once you're done with changes, just select the option complete, keep changes and return. And yeah, that way you can easily edit the real players in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.